Rick is building a rectangular sandbox for his daughter. He wants the length of the sandbox to be 2 feet more than the width, and he only has 20 feet of lumber to build the frame. Find the dimensions of the sandbox. This is a geometry problem where we have a rectangle and we're talking about the perimeter of a rectangle. So I wrote on the board the perimeter formula for a rectangle, which is P is equal to 2L plus 2W. I also drew a picture of a rectangle where I put the width at W and the length at W plus 2 because the length is 2 feet longer than the width. Now remember, Rick only has 20 feet of lumber to work with. That means the perimeter of the rectangle has to be 20 feet. So when I set up my equation, I'm using the formula over here for perimeter, and I'm going to have 20 is equal to 2 times the length, which is W plus 2, plus 2 times the width, which is just 2W. So there's my equation. As I solve this for W, I will end up with the width of this rectangle, and then I can find the length of the rectangle. So let's distribute and get 20 is equal to 2W plus 4 plus 2W. Now let's combine our like terms and get 20 is equal to 4W plus 4. Then let's subtract 4 from both sides and get 16 is equal to 4W. And now let's divide both sides by 4, and we get W is equal to 4. Now W stands for our width here, so the width of this rectangle has to be 4 feet, while the length has to be 2 feet longer, which would be 6 feet. The solution of this problem in a complete sentence is the sandbox has a width of 4 feet and a length of 6 feet.